What if your phone's messages printed out like cafe receipts in real time right on your desk? Today, I'm turning a Raspberry Pi and a cheap thermal receipt printer into a tiny inbox you can actually hold. Here's the plan. Hook, steps, win. Imagine your texts, reminders, to-dos landing as little paper snippets you can stick on your monitor or wallet. It's surprisingly easy and very fun. What you need: a Raspberry Pi with internet, a 58 or 80mm thermal receipt printer that speaks ESCPOS, paper rolls, the printer's power brick, USB cables, serial cables. Optional, a simple stand. Optional, some cable ties. Step 1. Prep the Pi. Flash Raspberry Pi OS. Boot. Update. Enable SSH. Keep this box on Wi-Fi or Ethernet. It'll listen for your phone and print on cue. Step 2. Connect the printer. USB is plug and play. For serial, match TX.RX properly or use a USB to serial adapter. Power the printer with its own adapter. Do not power it from the Pi. Step 3. Test a print. Most thermal printers show up as a generic printer. You can send a test using basic tools or use a Python ESCPOS library to print Hello World. If you see sharp text, you're good. If it's faint, check power. These printers are picky. Step 4. Format like a pro. Set the width. Choose a readable font. Bump the text size for headlines. Center titles. Add a bold header like new message. Timestamp it. Feed a little extra paper so it tears cleanly. Step 5. Make it automatic. Run a tiny web server or listener, Python, Node-RED, whatever you like. On your Android phone, use Tasker or IFTTT. Forward notifications you care about: text, WhatsApp, calendar, via a webhook to your Pi's IP address. When the Pi receives the payload, it formats the text and prints done. Step 6. Filter the noise. Only print from specific apps or contacts. Limit message length. Strip emojis you don't need or map them to text icons. You can even prepend tags like to do, reminder, OTP. Step 7. Polish. Add a small logo line, a QR code linking back to the full message or thread, or AutoCut if your printer supports it. Mount the printer under your shelf so the paper drops right where you work. Win. Shopping lists, package tracking, one-time passcodes, daily stand-up notes, all on paper, zero distractions. It's fast, offline friendly, and oddly satisfying. If you want to take it further, use a Telegram bot or NTFI, or schedule morning digest that print at 8 a.m. Weather, calendar, top emails, one tidy strip. Credit to the XDA community for inspiration. They've been hacking receipt printers with Pis for years. Alright, grab a Pi, a thermal printer, and some paper. In under an afternoon, you'll have the most delightfully analog notification system on your desk. Hit print on your life.